guys, it's me, Milky's Bee, or whatever you want to call my channel now, because I changed it because I don't think I'm going to be doing makeup for a while. It is really super hot. Today we are going to be looking at my Wicca stuff and what I have just bought. First, I just want to get into my Wicca stuff. So I do have beginner cards. I've made a couple of spell jars. This is my protection jar. My homemade love protection jar. The pink is not very vibrant on this because the candles are kind of cruddy here. This is a sour jar against somebody. They're not even subscribed to my channel. It's a female. I'm just gonna say that. This is a self-love jar, which I had made the other day. Very, very proud of. Then I have my box. Well, I'm gonna dive into my box. We have things for spell jars. Catnip, onions, minced onions, obviously, cinnamon, eggshells, pink salt, pepper, actual salt, red pepper. Then we have the incense that I got for each word 10 cents, which I'm actually weird for. I don't know. We have my candle melter. Basil leaves, candles, lighters, I was just making sure these still work. Yeah. Rosemary. Half of the ingredients I have in here. A couple of lavender that I'm saving up because I'm running out. Bay leaves. Sage. Rosemary. Pine. And then we got different colored candles. Peace. I know this is for peace. This one's for love. This one's for luck. Yeah, that's mostly what I have in there, except for this, which I made with my sister. Moving on. So what I did get from the store. Candle things. A red candle, these for aesthetic reasons. So, yeah. And then in here is just ingredients that I need to put away as well. Like sage and whatever this thing is. So, yeah. I noticed that people, or someone is either switching their likes from dislikes, or somebody's just disliking my videos all at once, and I think I know who it is. So I'd really appreciate if you'd stop. I know you don't like me right now, it's weird seeing thumbs down on my videos. Because if you keep that up, then I'm gonna do it the same to your channel. Or I'm just gonna block your channel. So, yeah. Anyways, I don't know what else to talk about, so yeah, I do plan on in the next video of doing another sour jar. Or another protection jar. Somewhat of the two, or I'm just gonna make a video for my boyfriend for our anniversary next month, or which is probably in 2 weeks. Yeah. I need suggestion on video making, you guys. I really do. I'm running out of ideas, and I don't know what to do. Like, it's frustrating, really. I really want to make my channel into a crime channel as well, while making Wicca stuff. So, here's my box. I do have another spell jar. It's just in the living room. It's a home protection jar, so no negative energy can come around the house and disturb the family. And then I made moon water, which is basically putting purified water or some type of water outside in the moonlight, leave it out there all night, get up and take it back inside. It is good. I was told that it was good to drink afterwards, and I can put it in spell jars, but I don't want to risk mold or probably getting sick, so I'm not going to do that. Wow, that smells good. I think I'm going to leave this in the packaging for right now because I'm not going to open it. It's not going to close all the way, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know there wasn't much to talk about, and yada yada yada. I hope everyone's having a safe day, month, year. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.